Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is 6:55 in the evening can be written as we know that AM means before midday and PM means after midday. Here we have given 6:55 in the evening means 6:55 after midday. So we can represent this as 6:55 PM. So from available options, option A, B, C is not correct, that is option D, which is none of the above.